Directions. Welcome to FluentEase English. This is the channel where you learn English fast and speak with ease. Today, our lesson is about directions, useful phrases you can use when you ask for or give directions. Remember, when you listen and repeat many times, English becomes natural. Repetition builds your reflex. The more you repeat, the faster you speak. So stay with me, practice step by step, and enjoy the lesson. Let's get started. Mini story, Anna finds the cafe. It's a sunny afternoon. Anna is walking downtown to meet her friend at a cafe, but she doesn't know the way. She stops a man on the street and says, "Excuse me, can you help me? I'm looking for the Sunrise Cafe." The man smiles and says, "Sure, go straight and turn left at the intersection." Anna repeats, "Go straight and turn left at the intersection. Got it." She starts walking, but after a few minutes she gets confused. She sees another woman and asks, "Is the cafe nearby or far away?" The woman points and says, "It's nearby, just across the street." Anna smiles and uses the crosswalk. She stops at the traffic light and waits until it turns green. Then she crosses safely. When she arrives, she looks at the map on her phone and sees the name Sunrise Cafe. She smiles and says, "Finally, I found it." Her friend Tom waves from the table and says, "Hey Anna, you made it." Anna laughs, "Yes, I got lost, but now I'm here." They both laugh and order 2 cups of coffee. Now it's time for the Q&A mini story. Anna finds the cafe. Listen carefully, answer quickly, and don't worry about mistakes. This step will make your English automatic. Let's begin. It's a sunny afternoon. Who is walking downtown? Anna. Where is she going? To a cafe. What's the name of the cafe? The Sunrise Cafe. She asks a man for help. Who does she ask? A man on the street. What does she say? Can you help me? I'm looking for the Sunrise Cafe. Does the man help her? Yes, what does the man say? Go straight and turn left at the intersection. Does she turn right or left? Left. Where does she turn left? At the intersection. Anna repeats the direction. What does she say? Go straight and turn left at the intersection. Does she understand? Yes, she does. After a few minutes, Anna gets confused. Why? Because she doesn't see the cafe. Who does she ask next? A woman. What does she ask the woman? Is the cafe nearby or far away? What does the woman say? It's nearby, just across the street. Where is the cafe? Across the street. Does Anna walk far away? No, it's nearby. Anna uses the crosswalk. What does she use? The crosswalk. Where does she stop? At the traffic light. Does she wait for the green light? Yes. When she arrives, what does she look at? The map on her phone. What does she see on the map? The name Sunrise Cafe. How does she feel? Happy and relieved? Who is waiting for her? Her friend Tom. What do they do at the end? They laugh and drink coffee. Excellent work. You have just completed the lesson about directions. Today, you practiced helpful phrases like turn left, turn right, go straight, at the intersection, use the crosswalk, it's nearby, and across the street. Remember, repetition is the key. The more you repeat, the faster English becomes automatic. If you enjoyed this lesson, practice again tomorrow. Subscribe to FluentEase English and keep building your fluency step by step. See you in the next lesson.